guys, it's Cheryl from Chic Done Chic. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who follow me, thank you for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to do a couple of more Christmas DIYs, so I hope you enjoy them, and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. So let's get started with the DIYs, and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use one of these wooden truck pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint this the non-traditional red and green. I'm going to do it like a gray, black, and white to do the whole buffalo check theme that I'm going for. So I'm just going to use some silver paint for the truck, some black for above the tire, some white and black for the tire, and then I decided to add these bottle caps. I thought they looked cute to do, like it looked like hubcaps. So I just took a Manhattan Special bottle cap and glued it right to the form. Then I took one of these plant bases that they sold at Dollar Tree over the summer, and I just gave it a coat of white paint. I put one of the floral foams inside, and then I used one of the white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. Now their trees are kind of skinny and scrawny, so what I did was I took a second tree and I cut all the branches off of it because it's hard to find white replacement pieces. Like Dollar Tree sells the green ones in a bag, but not the white ones. So I just took another tree, cut it apart, and I'm going to fluff this one up and then add some of the pieces where I think it needs some extra. And don't worry about the wording on the container showing, because I have plans for that in the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this tree up, and then we're going to make some cute ornaments to go on the tree, and you're going to see the finished product. But let me just finish fluffing. Okay, so for this project, you're just going to open this pack of buckets, and you don't need this thank you. You could use the ribbon that it comes with if you'd like, or you can use a different colored ribbon. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to stuff the bottom of these buckets so we don't have to use as many cotton balls. So you could easily just take a tissue and drop it in the bottom, or tissue paper. Otherwise you just would be wasting cotton balls trying to fill the whole bucket. I mean, you can do that too, it's up to you. But basically that's all you're going to do. And then the last few, which would be the top few, you would just glue together so they don't fall out. And that's what that's going to look like. Okay, after I first put this on, I felt this was too wide for this, so I ripped it off. And I'm going to try this buffalo check one that I got at Hobby Lobby. And if you go the week that they have all the ribbons and embellishments on sale for 50 off, you could get this for $1 anyway. And you do get 15 feet. So it does last quite a long time and for a lot of projects. But I think the thinner one is going to work out better. So I'm going to try this one instead. And we'll put the glue. The ribbon. Yeah, the other one was too wide and to go around the curve of the bucket, I guess because the bucket is narrower. It was, to me, it was just looking dopey. So I like the skinnier one better. You can do whatever you want with yours, but I liked this one. Sometimes Dollar Tree has skinnier ribbon, but you could still score good deals on ribbon at Hobby Lobby. If you don't have a Hobby Lobby, you could get it at Michael's or AC Moore. And AC Moore, I think their ribbon, the narrow ribbons are 2 for $1. So you could still get it at a good price. Yeah, I'm liking the narrower. Much better. You could use a Sharpie marker. You could use a paint pen. They sell these paint pen markers at Michael's and also in Walmart. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're going to do this. So we're going to write, I'm just going to make a little circle and then a small S. And it doesn't have to be perfect because Farmhouse is rusticy and whatever. I am no good free-handed, so I really choose to use my Cricut, but I'm just trying to show you guys that you can do these projects without a Cricut, but I stink free-handed. But you get the idea. Best bet is to use one of these acrylic paint pens, because if you screw up like I just did, it wipes right off. And I am no good free-handed, I really ain't. So we're gonna try this again. But I really do stink free-handed. But these acrylic paint markers are really, really nice. If you can't find them in your Walmart, they do have them on Amazon. Snowballs, 5 cents. Pack your little snowballs in here, like so. Take your ribbon and just take it like this together. Pull it through. Just gonna trim the excess off. And you have this cute little ornament that you can hang on your tree. Now, if you want to make sure these stay in place, just put a little bit of glue at the bottom, tap it in, little glue here, tap it in. That's it. How cute are these? Okay, so for this mess project, I got the pack of stockings, the unfinished wood stockings. I think you get 5 in here. Some craft paper from Hobby Lobby. It's only 69 cents, and it's the buffalo check. You'll need a scissor and a pencil, and I'm just going to trace the stocking around the back side of the paper, cut it out, and then we're going to Mod Podge it onto the wood shape, and then we'll just embellish it and make our own little ornament. So I just cut it out, applied Mod Podge to the wood, then put the piece of paper on, and then applied Mod Podge to the top. Let it dry, then I cut a piece of the felt from Dollar Tree. I put it along the top of the stocking to make it look like a nice cozy stocking. Used a piece of that cute buffalo plaid ribbon and just folded it into a bow, glued it in the center, and added a tiny little like pearlized snowflake. And then some white ribbon through the top to make it hang on the tree. I think the stocking came out just adorable. The next step is just to take the wood truck and hot glue it to the base of the metal tin from Dollar Tree, and it'll cover up the words fine. And then add your Christmas ornaments to the tree, and I think it just ties in so nicely. And then at the top, I just added a bigger buffalo check white and black ribbon to make a little bow and put it to the top of the tree with a little snowflake. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed these easy DIYs from Dollar Tree, and some of the items you could always find at other craft stores. So thanks for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which was your favorite this week. And don't forget, let's get social. Follow me on social media as I'm on Facebook and Instagram. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.